Hello to everyone! Today I have for repairing a Huawei P20 Lite. I am changing the back cover and display model. Links to part I left in the description. Okay, stop playing. The phone looks like this. Here is broken on the display, and there is also a crack on the back cover. These items we change. The phone itself works fine. Well, turn it off and start to disassemble. Remove all unnecessary, and first of all we need to take off this back cover. It is glued to the double-sided tape along the frame. To remove it you need to warm it with a hair dryer, but I do it on my separator. Set the temperature to 95 degrees and put to warm. Wait a bit and proceed the removal. After warming up, I take isopropyl alcohol and pour it along the frame. You can use another alcohol. Then warm it up again and take such a card and look for the place where it will crawl. Here I go under the cover at the crack side and then gently draw along the frame. If it goes tight, add alcohol or warm more and carefully and slowly walk through the frame. After the cover has peeled off, put down the phone and gently open the cover, because there is a fingerprint cable and you can break it. The connector is clamped by this iron cover with two screws. Unscrew them to disconnect it. Or if you need to change only the back cover, you can disconnect the cable on the back cover, but I need to disassemble further. So unscrew, remove the cover, disconnect the fingerprint connector, and you can immediately disconnect the battery cable. Let's take a closer look at the lid while it's warm. To replace it, you need to take a fingerprint. For this, warm it up again. Pour alcohol for faster peeling and carefully take out with heating. Everything is easy. The main thing is not to rush. That's how it looks. You can also remove the sealing rubber of the cameras and immediately glue it into a new cover. We've finished with the lid. If you only need to change it, rewind into 732, they will put it back. And who needs to change the display, watch further. We go to disassemble further. For this we unscrew one screw of the cover that closes the display connector. Remove it and turn off the display cable. And check the new display model before further disassembling. For this, connect the battery and turn on the phone. After switching on, check the model's full performance. You can use the icon in all areas of the display, like this. And for a more thorough detail, go to the Developers menu, click Show the location of the pointer and check all touchscreen zones. Everything works great. After checking, you can remove the broken model. This phone doesn't need a big disassemble. You only need to remove the speaker from the bottom. For this, unscrew the 7 screws. Let's do it. After that, we pick up the speaker housing and carefully remove it. For faster removal, you can warm it up, because he glued to a double-sided tape on the back side. Immediately clean the speaker grid. And now we have the display cable completely visible. We don't need to disassemble anything else. Just warm the display in top. After warming, take a mediator or a plastic card. You can push a little from the back side or catch it with a sharp object, for example, scalpel, and continue to circle completely. Be careful, fragments fly into your eyes and climb into your hands. For example, like this, and we go around in frame completely. After that, the display is removed easily. That's what it looks like. Immediately remove the speaker grid from it. It also needs to be cleaned, and in our case, when I disassembled it, I saw that it's generally necessary to clean it, since here it is completely clogged with dust. After cleaning, put it into a new model. Next, proceed to cleaning the frame. Remove all the old glue, after which we must degrease it with alcohol, and after that apply glue B7000. Attach the phone so that it's convenient for you to put glue and it doesn't go out of the frame. After putting glue, we take the display, remove the transportation film, thread the loop, center on the top and press along all the edge. Then press with pins and leave for at least half an hour. After half an hour, you can check the phone until the glue is completely dry. Full glue drying after 24 hours. Half an hour, remove all spins, and before final assembly and gluing the back cover, we check all the components of the phone. Put the speaker in place, turn on the phone and check all functions, buttons, cameras and so on. After that, you can safely collect everything back. Install the cover that closes the display connector. Tighten the screw. Next, tighten the speaker screws. Clean the case from the back side. Remove all the old glue and also always degrease it. Degrease the fingerprint and glue it. Apply glue B7000 along the contour and gluing the fingerprint. He has two center points, so you don't make a mistake. Next, apply glue to the frame. Remove the transportation films. There is a double-sided tape on the lid, but as practice shows, it doesn't hold, so I can connect it without glue B7000. Double-sided tape I don't remove, it traces the desired height of the lid. Further connect the fingerprint cable. Put the cover back. Tighten the two screws. Take the back cover. Set it along the edge and press it along the contour. And press with pins for 24 hours. That's all. Have a successful repair. Do you like the video? Put like, and also don't forget to watch my other videos and click on the circle in the center of the screen and subscribe to the Art Bell channel.